Well, hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to conduct a basic speaking test here with my student. So, after 5 to 6 days, how much she improved? Now we can see. How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also well, Alhamdulillah. Thanks for asking. Well, so we're just making a conversations, all right?
Okay.
And I want to know that do you have any issue or not? You can just introduce yourself first.
My name is Mariam. My full name is Ummiani Mariam. My father name is Imni Masumia. He is a businessman, and my mother name is Khalida Parvin. She is a housewife. I have an older brother. He is a medical student, and I am 14 years old. I'm from Dhaka and Purvachal. I live with my family at Uttara 10 Nong sector and 10 Nong road and 15 Nong house. And I read in class 8 at South Point School and College. I'm so free with my mother, and she cooks delicious food, and that's my simple life.
Okay. What do you do in your free time?
I do in my free time reading a novel book and drawing some pictures like a
Okay.
nature pictures.
Do you like to watch movie in your free time?
I like watching movie, but no time. I'm free.
You don't have any much time to watch
No.
movie, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk about the food, all right? So what's your favorite food and why?
My favorite food is chicken biryani. I like chicken too
Okay.
much, and it is spices. I like most spices food. For this reason, I like chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani.
Yeah.
Okay. I love also chicken biryani. Well, what's your favorite sports? Do you have any favorite
Yeah,
sports?
I am. My favorite sport is badminton.
Badminton.
Yeah.
When do you play badminton?
In winter, I play badminton with my family,
Especially with whom? Like
yeah,
your father or with...
mother, and my brother also.
So that means you actually play badminton with your father or sometimes your brother.
Yeah,
Okay, that's a nice. Will you play badminton in future?
yeah, I will be
How do you
playing
play badminton and why do you play badminton?
because I like it.
Okay, fine, but where do you play badminton?
In the park,
Where is it?
uh,
7 number park.
no, 11 Nong Sector Park.
Okay, 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 okay. Is it a big or small?
A middle,
Middle, not a big, not a small.
no,
Okay,
it's a medium.
that's good. Do you visit that park every day?
No, sometime in a week when I get free,
Okay. With whom do you go to that park?
my mother and my father.
Okay. So that means you do not go anywhere without like alone.
Yeah.
Let's talk about your favorite subject. What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is Bangla.
Bangla.
Yes.
And why? Why do you like Bangla?
Bangla is easy, and Bangla
This
is our
is
mother
mother
language.
language. Yeah.
And also, I afford this subject too much.
Okay. I have a question that you are speaking English right now very well. So after coming here, how do you feel? Are you feeling comfortable? Are you feeling confident?
Yes, I feel comfortable and confidence.
Okay. And especially with me,
Yeah.
are you, I mean, feeling comfortable, right? Like, okay, this teacher might be dangerous.
No,
What do you think?
I think this teacher is so friendly with me,
Okay.
and they talk us with a friend, like friend.
Okay, what about Taki sir? Because he teaches you
Taki,
especially grammar.
Taki sir is so comfortable and friendly with me.
Okay,
I learned conjunction,
okay,
then degree,
okay,
and symbol.
okay. Have you written any writings?
Yeah,
Did he give you any task?
yeah.
Okay. Have you written anything? That's good. That's very good. So what do you want to say to my audience, especially who wants to develop their English? Can you say anything?
Please come here and admit in there.
Okay.
And conversation with the teacher like Taki sir and Atik sir.
Okay. And would you like to be a public speaker in future?
Yeah, I will be.
Okay, inshallah, you'd be a public speaker definitely, and I'll make you inshallah. সো গাইস, আমি জাস্ট আপনাদেরকে একটা বিষয় বোঝানোর ট্রাই করতেছি, সেটা হচ্ছে আমরা অল্প ক্লাস সে করেছে মাত্র, বাট সে কনসিস্টেন্সি বজায় রেখেছে, প্রতিদিন ক্লাস করেছে, প্রতিদিন পড়াশোনা করেছে, অ্যান্ড শি ইজ ভেরি ব্রিলিয়েন্ট বাই দ্য ওয়ে, অ্যান্ড অলসো শি ইজ really dedicated student, if I talk about her. So basically, আপনি যদি কোনো কিছু না পারেন, that's not our main problem. That's not even your problem. Actually, you have to come here, learn English, and improve your English. That's it.